In today's video, I will teach you how to master the Lightroom interface in minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to understand the Lightroom versions. Lightroom comes in two main versions. Lightroom Classic, which is desktop-based, has powerful tools and file organization. And Lightroom CC, which is cloud-based, has simple interface and mobile-friendly. So you can use the Lightroom Classic for advanced control and Lightroom CC for quick edits on the go. Now, when you open Lightroom Classic, you'll see 7 key sections. The first one is Library Module, which is used for photo management. Here, you can import, organize, and sort photos. You can use collections or keywords for better organization. And you can find the editing tools in the Develop module. To access the Develop module, you can simply press D on your keyboard. This is the main panel for editing photos. The essential tools include the basic panel, where you can adjust the exposure, contrast, and color adjustments. And you have the tone curve, which you can use to fine-tune brightness and contrast. Then the HSL panel, where you can adjust specific colors. And the detail panel, where you can do sharpening and noise reduction. And the effects panel, where you can add vignette, grain, and texture. Now we have the histogram or the exposure guide. This is found at the top right of the Develop module. This helps adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows. And here, you can avoid clipping, which are peaks touching the edges for a well-exposed photo. Now we have the toolbar for editing shortcuts. You can access the crop tool or simply press R on your keyboard, spot removal or simply press Q on your keyboard, radial and gradient filters or simply press M on your keyboard, and adjustment brush or simply press K on your keyboard. Now we have the film strip or photo selection. This shows all imported photos at the bottom, and it helps switch between images quickly. And you can also press F for full screen preview. And then we have the presets and snapshots for quick edits. You can find it at the left panel in the Develop module. And here you can apply one-click presets or save custom edits. And you can use presets for a consistent editing style. And now we have the Export panel to save your work. To access this, click File, then Export to save your edited photos. Then choose either JPEG for web or TAFF for high-quality prints. You can also use export presets to save time when exporting multiple files. Now we're going to master the Lightroom shortcuts for faster editing. You can press G to switch to grid view, then D to open the Develop module, and R to open the crop tool, and F for full screen mode. And you can press the backward slash key for the before and after view. Learning shortcuts will speed up your workflow dramatically. And for a quick recap, here's the Lightroom interface basics. The Library module is where you import and organize photos. The Develop module is for editing image with powerful tools. The histogram is where you balance exposure and contrast. And you can access essential editing tools in the toolbar and switch between images easily in the film strip. And for presets, you can apply it for quick edits and save custom settings. And you can save the high-quality final images in the Export panel. By following these steps, you'll master the Lightroom interface in minutes and be ready to edit like a pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.